Hello guys. One of the main questions I'm always asked for is, why should you choose for a 100% born electric sweeper? The reasons to choose for an electric street sweepers are many. A great deal of importance is certainly given to environmental factors that increase the quality of life of both operator and citizens. This is why the reduction of noise and the elimination of air pollution are both paramount features. In the second place, I'm honestly convinced that very evident operational advantages are given by very long working hours, an intuitive ease of use, and of course an extremely reduced maintenance cost that evidently lead to a fast return of the investment. For more info, a demo, or just to be updated on our latest news, please catch up on our site, Instagram, LinkedIn, and of course Facebook.